Hey Lily, is that cake good? Excuse me, can I have some? Hey, can I have some of this? Can I have some? Can I have some? She's not doing it now. Here. She can't fit enough in her mouth. She's like, I can't do it fast enough. You're gonna get sick, Bean. Liliana. Hey, excuse me. Is it good? Is it good? Lady Bean. Is it good? Will you smile for me? Oh, don't get it in your hair. Oh boy. Oh boy. Messy girl.